Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an account to our list in the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the Axe app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts from the people that we follow and that are recommended to us. Now let's say we find a post that we are especially interested about. On the top right corner of the post, we find the three little dots, and then we find an option to add/remove from lists. Now, if we tap on this, we can create a list to which we want to add this post. If we already have a list, we can just add it to that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.